Welcome back to Full Scholarships application process video. We will discuss UK Government Chevening Scholarships for the academic session 2027. They are now open and it's a fully funded master's opportunity in UK. We'll show the step-by-step application process. How do you apply and what are the steps that you need to take? Before we proceed to the application process, I am reminding you to subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. To also follow us on Instagram. The link for this scholarship will be given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website, or on Instagram, you can directly check out the bio or stories for the link. Meanwhile, you can search on Google fullscholarships.net. Once you land on this page, you can read about this UK government training scholarship for the session 2026-2027. It's a full scholarship with monthly stipend, accommodation, airfare tickets, and visa. No IELTS exam is required for this. Deadline will be 6th of October 2026. And this is an opportunity for international students to pursue their masters in United UK universities, where they'll be receiving full scholarships. And this will also cover airfare, visa, and you don't have to worry about IELTS or TOEFL. Just medium of instruction certificate will be enough for this. You have to apply within the deadline, that's October 6, 2026. And Chevening scholarships are UK government global scholarship program funded by Foreign and Commonwealth Office and partner organizations. So everyone has their share on this. So they are providing the funding for international students. Besides that, eligibility criteria, you must be a citizen of one of the eligible joining countries, have a bachelor's degree and a 2 year of work experience. And if you're unconditional master's offer from a UK university, that's well and good. If you already have master's, you can still apply for another master's. Benefits we already discussed. Documents you need: offer letter from UK university. If you have, you can submit that. Reference letters, transcripts, degree certificate, personal statement, essay and motivation letter, then English proficiency certificate. These documents must be submitted before the deadline. How do you apply? You have to go to official Chevening website, check the eligibility, submit the form, upload documents. That's it. Scroll down, click on this link to start the application. Now you can see the official website. Chevening website is here, and Chevening scholarships are open right now. So details about Chevening scholarship, everything is given here. In order to start an application, here you need to select your country, mention the country, then select an award, select scholarship, click on search. Once you click on search, you can see Chevening in India open for applications until 6th of October, and you have to apply through this link here. Click on the apply now, and now select an country here, then select the Chevening Scholarship 2027-2028 session. Click on continue. Click on continue. Now enter your primary email address, your country code for the phone number, then your email address for the recovery, and agree terms and conditions. Click on continue. Now click on confirm, and next step is to verify your email. Now go to your Gmail. You can see thank you for your interest, and you will have to go to application portal through this link here. Now click on this, and this is the application portal. So there you have an eligibility. First you have to qualify that. I already have done that eligibility part because it is now directly showing me this access code. Once you qualify the eligibility, you click on open application. You will get a recovery code, uh, 8-digit recovery code. So you'll have to then keep screenshot of that recovery code and then enter these digits. I have my recovery code here, so I'll just get the digits from that. Let me check the digits. Okay, we are requiring here second, fifth, and sixth. Second is Z, and fifth is L, and Sixth is G. Now click on continue. You will also receive this code once you sign up through this link. And now you have your application details that you need to fill. Click on personal details and enter your first name, last name, and then your gender, your pronouns, and your date of birth. Confirm date of birth. Then your current address, your city, your zip code, then your territory. Mention that here and select the region. Then preferred interview location, any special arrangements. Now click on save and complete. After that, click on citizenship and travel documents. Hold a valid passport, then enter the passport number. Dual citizenship, refugee status, do you hold any form of legal residency, and then do you hold a UK visa or permission to enter or remain in UK? As of now, I do not have a valid UK, but ever been refused visa, deported, any offenses, and all that, you have to be true and click on continue. Then higher education history. You have to add higher education from which country you completed your bachelor's degree. You can submit that. Then which institution you have done, you can submit that. So if you have any universities here, you can submit that. Then course title, which course and when did you start that, and to date, which when did you complete that. Then result, then mention that result here. I confirm this degree is undergraduate and click on save and close. Okay, start date. Okay. Now you can see, click on save and complete. Click on work history and add a work history here. Any title, employer you have worked for, you have to mention that. Is this a current position? Yes and no. And details of that. Click on save and close. Save and complete. Go to program of study. Now select the sector you are working. Add a first choice, institution name, where you have, if you have offer letters from these institutions, you can submit that. Like I have from Bristol, I have selected that, and click on save and close. You can add second preference as well. I'll just keep on one. You have to have all the tasks. Okay. Add second preference and select the course. Save and close. Add third preference. Institution name and course title. Click on save and close. Then save and complete. Now go to referees. Add a first referee. And country code. Academic. Confirm. Click on save and close. Add second referee. And then country code, agree, click on save and close. Save and complete. Next, supporting statements. Describe demonstrated leadership. Then tell us about your professional relation in network, your first choice of the course, justify that, career plan and impact. Click on save and complete. At least 100 words are required. So let me just. So you have to have minimum of 100 words there. Click on save and complete. Now equal opportunities, which STG goal and other details. Select the country details here. Then region and details. Then do you consider yourself to be a disabled person? And do you consider to be a part of minority or lived in these areas? And what are the other details you wish? You can click on them and save and continue. Click on submit application. Review the details. Agree to terms and conditions here. So you have to confirm these. Every detail must be confirmed. You can see. Now click on submit application. So confirm, click on confirm submission. You have to review it as well. Then submit. You can see thank you, application received. Return to overview. Download your completed application PDF. Click on download. You'll also receive an email. Let me just go to the Gmail here and see application has been submitted, and we have downloaded the application as well. You can see. Now next step will be the review, and then there will be asking you to submit the applications, submit the document, and once your application is reviewed, you will have to be submitting your documents, and this is the demo application that I have shown you. And in case you have any confusions, you can ask us directly on the website fullscholarships.net. This is the withdrawal that I had done because this was a demo application, so you can do that. That's it for today. I'm signing off fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.